guys, I just wanted to do a quick little video to show you how I do these cute cards out of alcohol ink paper that you make and design yourself, and then the Sizzix Bigkick that I have that I'm just having a little blast with. So here it goes. I'm going to be really quick and show you generally how I do everything. First, there's a few little variations that you can do, which is really cool. This is the alcohol ink paper that I've done, and you can do a lot of different things, different layerings to get different looks. I like to cock things a little bit, not always be real straight. You can do something like that, but they're a lot of fun to do, very easy and very quick for some fun little cards. You can also do some layering like that. Just a lot of stuff. So let's get started. I will show you how to do the paper with the alcohol inks. Now, first of all, I just want to show you this little trick I've discovered. This is a swatch sheet from the Tim Holtz alcohol ink, and I go ahead and do my swatches with all my colors, but then when I'm using my colors, I put the lids on each of the colors so I don't get them mixed up when I'm putting them back. So there's a little handy tip to use. Okay, so first of all, let me show you this. This is so cool. This is a butcher tray. Love it. I use it for my watercolor palettes. I use it to do my alcohol ink on so I don't make a mess. And just a really cool thing. You just wipe it off and it's done. So this is what I kind of first start doing. I take a sheet, and you can do whatever size you want. I kind of put some alcohol on it. I start dropping in my colors. Whatever colors you're wanting, whatever floats your boat is a great thing to start with. I just kind of run them back and forth. I let the excess kind of run off a little bit because it does get a little much depending on if you're heavy-handed. And then this little thing is so cool. It's a blow dryer, and I like it so you can do different things. Different speeds. It's low, there's high. You can go ahead and get things dried. I want to make adjustments. Come in here and drop some more in. Drop some alcohol ink. So there's a lot of stuff you can do. You can do this layer by layer if you don't want to do it all at one time like this. I've done it a lot of different ways. So you get the idea. I'm not going to finish this and take up your time. So there's that. See the mess it leaves? I don't have to deal with that. Okay, so here's the Bigkick. This is what I do. Cool little machine. So you can, there's videos on how to use these and all the layering things, so I won't go into all that. But here's a previous sheet I did. Oh, let me show you one more time. This is so fun. Okay, I have these cute little stylists. Don't know what they're called, but they have little balls on the end, different sizes. I dip them in some alcohol. And of course, alcohol pushes the other alcohol. And it makes little dots. And it's just another way to have fun, which is what this is about. And if you want colored little dots, take you some ink. Now you can put this on a palette. I just do this sometimes. And then you've got a colored circle. So it's really cool. So let me get that dried. So this is what I do on the first round. This is the die that I use. It's got the little scrolly things. You can use anything. Make it exciting. I like to not necessarily have my lines go straight up and down. Whoop. And this is how this comes out. And you just punch out those little hole things. Sometimes they'll stick to that, which is really cool. Helps you out a lot. So there's the first piece. And then, this is what I do with the second one. Now I've got a size down in the border. Put my feather, why not make one swipe when you can? Oh, I'm having difficulty, hold up. There we go. Now sometimes on the very delicate ones, I'll do 2 swipes through it. I'll just crank it out and then crank it back. Sometimes you have to, sometimes you don't. So this is how it comes out. And then you can use that. And let me find my card. There we go. So here's the one we just did. And then here is the outline. I see how cute. You can do a lot of different stuff with this, and that's the really neat thing about it. You can just layer up anyhow you want to. Sometimes I like to be very simple and just put the one there. Put letters around it, write, you know, do some type of other border. I love to splatter, but that's a watercolor person. I like just to splatter some paint. That makes it fun. So I hope this shows you some ideas and gives you some encouragement to go out there and make cards for people. We'll see you later. Have a good day.